You built a product on a hosted LLM API. Every token your users send and every token the model generates lands on your bill. And there's an attack designed for exactly that. A classic denial of service tries to take your service down. A denial of wallet doesn't bother. It keeps sending expensive requests until your bill hits 5 figures and your card declines. The service stays up. Your company goes down. Here's what makes Inference APIs uniquely vulnerable. With a traditional API, every request costs about the same. With an LLM API, one request can cost 100 times another. A short chat and 120,000 token summarization are both, quote, one request. Which breaks the dangerous assumption, I rate limit to 60 requests a minute, so I'm protected. No, 60 max context requests at a frontier model is $7,000 an hour. Limiting requests is necessary, nowhere near sufficient. So you limit on 3 access, each keyed per API key. Requests per minute, baseline hygiene, tokens per minute, input plus output, the limit that tracks cost, and a daily dollar budget, your hard financial circuit breaker. Now the workhorse algorithm, the token bucket. One warning, these tokens are capacity units, nothing to do with LLM tokens. Imagine a bucket holding up to C units, the burst limit, refilling at rate R. A request of weight W is allowed only if the bucket holds at least W, then you deduct it. Otherwise you reject with HTTP 429 and a retry after header. And the elegant part is the refill math. At any moment, the bucket equals the minimum of C and the current level plus or times T, the seconds since the last check. So you need no background timer, you just compute what accumulated. Now, a tempting shortcut, the fixed window counter, a count per minute that rejects over the limit. It is critically flawed. Send 100 requests at the end of 1 minute, then 100 more at the start of the next. 200 in seconds, double your limit at the seam. A sliding window fixes it, counting the rolling 60 seconds continuously. But no single control is enough. The defense is layered, every layer keyed per identity. Second, the token budget, the core control, summing input plus output and rejecting when the budget blows. Third, a max underscore tokens cap against a single runaway response. Fourth, a daily dollar cap with alerts, so you get paged instead of surprised at midnight. And fifth, the one that makes the rest matter, authentication. Limits are meaningless without identity. Require an API key every limit to it. Anonymous endpoints fall back to limiting by IP, which is trivially bypassed. And enforce it all at the gateway with Redis atomic increments across instances, since per process counters each see only a slice. So the whole defense, token bucket for the rate, sliding window over fixed, max underscore tokens on every call, a daily dollar cap with alerts, and auth everywhere. Each layer is cheap to add and cheap to run. The cost of skipping any one of them is a bill you discover at midnight.